Let us design this beautiful, stunning company profile cover that you're seeing right now on your screen. Let's design it together. It is an A4 size company profile. And to design that, we are going to jump into CorelDRAW direct, right? So this is the color code we are going to be using, and this is the logo, right? So to start with that, we need to change our workspace into A3, right? Because it is A4, we need to start by creating our A3 size workspace, right? And then we'll change it to landscape. You get the point now? We'll change it to landscape. And then immediately we do that, we'll create a box like this, right? And then we'll reduce it this way. And you will hold your control key and drag this like this to make a duplicate, right? To make a duplicate. And when you're done, you can now highlight the two of them and drag it this way to the end, right? So it will now make it A4, A4, A4. You understand now? A4, A4 for the workspace. So which means that this is going to be the front cover and this is going to be the back cover, right? And then we need to create a margin so that it will be much easier for us when we are creating the inners. So after this cover, I will create part of the inners with you guys in the next video, right? So we can just create margin like this. Let our margin be 0.7, right? You get the point now. You see the points. Then we'll now use our grid line to guide it. So this is where our this thing will be. Can you see that this is very important because it will guide your eyes, guide everything you're doing, so that when they are printing it, no part of the design we cut out. Imagine that you did not put this margin, you now create design, your text now get to this place. By the time they are cutting, there's the high potential that this text that is outside of this line will be cut off. So we don't want to risk that. The next thing we are going to do now that we have our workspace set up is to import the materials that we want to use. We're going to be using just two backgrounds. Since it's just cover, we're going to be using just two images, right? So we'll double click and import the two of them. We're going to be using just these two images. In the next page, we are going to be using more images, but this is just the cover, right? If you make your research, you will see that one thing that is very common about company profile is designers play around with shapes. It's always about shapes. It is always about shapes. So in this video, we are going to just be playing around with circle, right? The elliptical too. That's what we are going to be playing around with. So we're going to draw like this, right? Just like this. And then we'll take our contour tool and then we'll create another one just like this, right? And then we'll break it apart because we do not need it to be like that. We just need to shift it this way and then we have this. Then we can bring this other one to the top, right? So we are going to give this one, let's pick these colors. I want to pick this. I'll just use this one here. This color picker that you're seeing here, you just click on it. I'm using it to pick the colors, right? Now that I pick the colors, I will just click here like this and fill this one with this color. Or let's use this and remove the outline, right? Then we can now give this one, this outline, white. I'll change it to white. You understand? We'll change it to white. Let's make it thicker a little. And then we'll now bring this image and power clip it inside, right? And then we'll make sure it is properly placed. And then we'll now highlight the two of them and power clip it inside the container, right? Power clip it inside the container. Let us move this like this a little. move this like this a little. Right, I think that's okay. I think that's okay. So the next thing that we are going to do now that we have this is let's bring this circle, let's bring it down here like this and reduce it. Right, we'll reduce this like this. I will give it this color. Right, we'll reduce it like that and give it this color. We are now going to duplicate it again and then we'll bring this one this way. Right, let's give it this color and bring this one up. Right, and bring this one up. And then we're just going to give this one an outline. Let's say like 8. Right, and then we'll give you this white outline. Like this. This is superb. And then we'll now bring the logo and this thing will bring it down here. This is where the logo will be. Right, as you can see, perfectly placed. Right. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we're now going to type 2026 company profile, 2026 company profile. Right. And then we are going to give these poppings. And then let's raise it up. And then increase it like this. So give this one this color. We can make this and this bold. This guy and this guy will make them bold. Poppings, this. We can give them this color, the two of them. Right? And then this one, we can give this one. So poppings bold or semi-bold or medium. Let's use this. Right? And then we'll give it this color. Or we can give this to that color. Right? And then we'll just come like this, draw a shape this way, and then draw another one like this. Let's reduce it and raise it up. Right? This one with this color, and then this one with this color. Right? Company profile 2026. Then we can now take this guy, reduce it, and bring one just right here. Can you see that? Just right here. We can also reduce this guy. Right? We can reduce it. Let me erase it up. You can reduce it. You can see now that we now have a perfect front cover, right? A perfect front cover. You get the point now. So now that we have the perfect front cover, the next thing that we are going to do is to create the perfect back cover also. We just, that one is not hard. We just put this color here, right? Put this color here, and then we'll just bring this image like this, bring it inside, and then we'll come to this place, transparency to change the med mode to hard lights. I don't like hard lights. Let's see soft lights. Hard light, yes, I think that's perfect. Then I will just power clip it inside the container. Power clip it inside the container, right? So we can now put the website of the brand. www dot the real www dot the real mining service.com, right? Just put that right here. We change it to Poppins as well. And then we just reduce it and put it down here. Can you see that? So that is it. That is how we create that cover for our company profile 2026, right? So this is the cover. In the next video, we are going to be creating the inner pages, page 1 and page 2, right? But before that time, let us quickly create a mock-up for this one, right? So how do we go about it? I have some mock-ups here that I use. You can download yours online, right? I will just come. Where's my mockup? See it here. You can download yours online. Like I said, there are too many mockups online. I'm not giving you this one. I'm not giving you this one because it didn't come cheap, right? So I'll just do this and this. Let me first of all open my Photoshop. So my Photoshop is open. So let's open this magazine cover, this mockup. We open this one. That one is the cover. And then we now open the inner. Okay, sorry, it's cover that we are designing now. So when we do the inner, I will show you the inner cover, right? There's still another cover that I like so much. There's still another cover that I like so much. I'll find it now. When we are doing the inner, we'll use the inner. Now it's just the cover that we are creating, right? I like that. But there's one that is open. Maybe it's not here. Yes, this one. It's open like this. Right? So now that I have it like this, I will now go to CorelDRAW and then import the design that I created. I will import this. I will export this. Right? I will export it like this. And export it like that. I will export this one also, which is the back cover. Right? That's it. So when I'm done, I will now open this one. You see this guy that is here? This guy here, it shows that you can replace whatever is here, right? So what you need to do is just double click on it. When you double click it to open like this, where you can put your own design, right? So go back to the stuff that you exported, then bring this front cover, bring it inside. Right? When you bring it inside, then you save, right? Then you save. There is this outline, this side that is here. We can also change that too. You can also change that too. Let's bring this inside and increase it. And then that's it. Right? Then you can now change the color of the background. See? Let's click on this green and then we just change the color like this. Can you see that? Then you can save this one. Save this one as JPEG. Right? And then let's go back to this one. And then the front cover, just carry the front cover, which is this guy, carry like this and put it here. and then you save. You understand now? Close it. It will automatically come here. Then the edge cover, which is that tiny stuff that I carried that time, you just carry it again. You just carry it again and bring it here. And then you save. Right? So it's remaining this side now. Just double click here and then you can see this one. Then you can just go there and carry the cover and bring it down here. You get the point now. And bring it down here, then you save. And when you're done saving, you close it. Can you see what we design now? Can you see? Then we can you can come back here and reduce this like this. And then we can save it. We can save it as JPEG as well. And then that is it. We are done. We are done. Now look at it. The cover of our profile design is done. The cover of our profile design is done. You can see it. Right? So in the next video, we are going to be designing the inner pages. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Let us grow the channel together. Right? So I'll see you in the next video where we'll be recording the inner pages, page 1 and 2. Right? This is just the cover. We're going to be designing the inner pages in the next episode. Right? So I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.